I went from a bald man to a man with a full set of hair, and very satisfied. Uh, about 6 years ago. It was a very slow process, and when I started noticing it, I found out about fibers, and I was using fibers for that length of time. But when the pandemic hit, I couldn't get a haircut, and they started to get heavy and they started to fall, and could not use the fibers no more. It was not covering or blending enough to cover the baldness. And I just decided that it was time to do something more. A hair transplant is not good for me and way too expensive. Well, I just got tired of looking in the mirror and seeing a bald head, and I just feel that I'm too young right now to feel that way. My father lost his hair very young, in his 20s, and he never really done much about it. So I don't want to go that path right now, you know. And I just today, with the advances with hairpieces and things like that, they're so good. I've seen a couple of my friends have them, and they wore caps and hats for a while. Then all of a sudden, one day, I seen one of my friends. He's got his full head of hair back, and he wouldn't tell me though where he got it though. And actually, I found out from the gentleman I used to buy my powders from, my fibers, and he gave me the number here, and that's how I, decided to do it. It was great. It was like getting a haircut. It didn't take very long. I would say it took a matter of about a half an hour to 40 minutes. And I went from a bald man to a man with a full set of hair, and very satisfied, very satisfied. Yes, I knew that one day I either was going to do a transplant or get a hair system, because male pattern baldness runs in my family on both sides. I would say to get one, you know what I mean? It's much cheaper than a hair transplant, less pain, there's no blood involved, and you're gonna come out looking a lot better, a lot faster. There's no growth process here. It's just 1, 2, 3, and boom.